Can you really become a bookkeeper or accountant without a degree? Yes, but it takes real effort, practical learning, and smart steps. Many bookkeeping jobs don't require a formal degree. What matters most is your ability to do the work, record transactions accurately, manage financial data, prepare reports, and use accounting tools like QuickBooks or Xero. Step 1. Master the accounting fundamentals. Start with the core principles, debits and credits, the double entry system, and how transactions are recorded. Understand key financial documents like invoices, receipts, bills, bank statements, and journal entries. This foundation helps you grasp how businesses manage money and make decisions. Step 2. Learn the bookkeeping process. Once you're clear on the basics, move on to the full bookkeeping cycle, from recording entries to reconciling accounts and generating financial reports. Beginner-friendly courses can guide you step by step and offer quizzes, assignments, and certificates that demonstrate your skills. Step 3. Get comfortable with bookkeeping software. Most businesses today rely on digital tools. Practice using QuickBooks, Xero, or Wave Accounting through free trials or structured software courses. Focus on key features like creating invoices, managing expenses, reconciling bank accounts, and generating reports. Step 4. Use AI tools to support your learning. Tools like ChatGPT can help you understand complex accounting terms, draft journal entries, or write professional client emails. They won't replace real learning, but they can make your journey faster and easier. Step 5. Gain practical experience. Put your knowledge into action. Stimulate the finances of a small business, help a friend manage their accounts, or create sample reports from scratch. Real-world practice, even if informal, builds confidence, sharpens your skills, and strengthens your portfolio. Ready to begin? Accounting Explained. Free course for Step 1, Bookkeeping and Accounting course for Step 2, QuickBooks Online and Xero for Step 3, ChatGPT for Accountants for Step 4. Learn it all at accounttutor.com.